Hello, Professor. My name is Baoxi Feng. Currently, I'm a second year student majoring in electrical engineering at Lund University, and I want to apply for the teaching assistant in this course, Fundamentals of Programming for International Programs. I want to apply for the position because several reasons. First, I think I'm really passionate for programming and this course. I was deeply inspired by the computer science, such as from the John von Neumann to Sam Altman. I think computer scientists, they really changed the world a lot, and I want to keep learning programming to become one of them in the future. Second, I think I really love the professor and in this course, and I want to have an opportunity to work with them. I also want to work with other TAs in this course, and I noticed there are a lot of Chinese students coming this year, and I haven't noticed there's a Chinese TA for this course, so I think I can be helpful for the teaching assistant team in this course, using my programming skills and my English and Chinese skills in the course. Thirdly, I think I am pretty capable for the position because right now my studies goes pretty good. I completed 79 credits with grade of GPA 5, and also I think I have uh, got the full marks for this course. I have got the 5 for the access grade and 5 for the project grade and also 5 for the first attempt exam. So I think I can master those access in the courses pretty good and I can teach them pretty good. I have the ability, so that is another reason I want to apply for the TA position in this course. Right now, let's start. Let me start to demonstrate several questions, tasks, including how to define function, how to call function, and like how to calculate the area or something. So because this course use IDLE, so I also use RadialE to demonstrate for you. Let's start. Create a new file. Okay. So let's start with the uh, calculate the area of a simple rectangle. First, we need to define the function. Define, let's say, the function name, calculate area. And we need to also define the length and width to calculate the area. So length equals to integral. This is a type of the input, user input. And we also need to ask for the user's input. Input, please give the length of the rectangle. Also, we need to start a new line for this. Yes. And y is the same thing. Integral input, please if rectangle. Also, right now we need to find the equation for the calculate the area of the rectangle. We have the length, we have the width, so the area is length times the width. So we need to type the formula for that. Area equals to define area length times width. Because we already limit the type of the input there, so there's no need to limit it again in this line. So right now we can return our result, return area. This line we need to call the function. We already made our main function, and in this line, we just call the function relate area and print the result. We add a f in order to uh, write the result. The rectangle. Because we already write a f at the very first, so we can write the result in this. So let's see it will work or not. We first need to save the, let's see, calculate area. So let's give the length as 10 and width as 50. So it should be 50, the area. Yes, it works pretty good. Let's close this one, and I want to demonstrate another one. That is calculate the, let's say, the sum from 1 to 100, from 0 to 100. So first, we need to calculate the sum from 0 to 100. So we just set the initial value, n equals to 0, and also the initial total sum value, let's say it's also 0. And we need to use a while loop for it. While n smaller than 100. Yeah. And we need to add each n into the total sum. So should be typed in this way. And we also need to add one after each loop. Yes. And right now it should be okay. We just print the results. Print the sum of 1 to 100 is total sum. Let's see it will work or not. Total sum, yes, it should be fine. I see total sum and save it. It should be 5050. Yes. The sum of 1 to 100 is 5050. So this calculate pretty good. If we want to calculate other numbers, we just change the numbers here. And I want to show you another like situation. Let's see, selling tickets. Let's see if we are a ticket seller of a zoo. So the ticket can including the audio ticket that is normal price and also child ticket that is free. So let's start print. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome to the zoo. Yes. And in this case, I want to show uh, we need to, the user will need to input the height. So it should be a number. And in this task, I want to use the exception handling, that is while true or other if except things. So let's start while true. This is kind of exception handling because the user may not input a valid height. Maybe the user input some letter is not a number. So we need to use this one. Oh. So let's see it is integral or not. Try if height is integral equals to int. If height is really an integral, so we just need to break right now. If height is not an integral, we just accept the exception value error because in this case, the user input other things, not a number. I forget this. And print, please insert a valid height. For example, so this is our function to detect the user input is valid or not. We use a easy try and accept value error function for that. And let's start our main function. If height, let's say taller than 120 centimeters. You are taller. You, you, your height is taller than 100 centimeters. So, oh, yeah, let's say 10 euros. Other situation, because we already limit the range of the height is bigger than 120. So right now we just need to consider uh smaller than 120. So we use else. Print your height is smaller than 120 centimeters. So you the ticket is free. So right now this is our function. So let's say it will work or not. Big manual print is false. So first, let me insert my height, that is 183 centimeters. So let's see. Yeah, I'm an adult, so I need to pay 10 euros for the zoo. And let's try other situations. If I am a child, then my height is like 80, and your height is smaller than 120 centimeters, the ticket is free. And because we already write the exception handling, so I want to try the exception handling in this time. Let's see. Yes, please insert a valid height. For example, 100. Yeah, so this function worked pretty good for me. So I think I used if and else, and also uh, I define the function and call the function, and I also use the while loop for it. So I think I this is my basic skills for Python, and I want to end the recording with uh this one because this is the poem of the Python. I really like the Python, and the poem explain a lot for the Python. I really like the Python. It is very simplified, and it can work for a lot of situations. I have a I have a friend who focus on the machine learning, and he also tell me that Python is a very strong tool for it. And I also want to study more Python for it. And so that is my passion for Python. Thank you for watching this video. And honestly speaking, I want to I want to apply for this position is uh, doesn't don't because the salary at all, because I think if necessary I can accept the zero salary, but I really appreciate the time and working with you, my professor, and working with other TAs. I think it will help my programming skills a lot. There's a Chinese quote said that the teaching and learning uh, they boost each other. That is, when I am teaching others, my Python skills also get better. So I think it is very meaningful and helpful for me to record this video and apply for the position. Uh, I wish that I have the opportunity to work with you. Maybe this time, maybe next time. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.